Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the Hawaiian Ti plant. I hope I'm pronouncing that right because I keep on forgetting. And the reason I'm recording today because we have two versions, actually three versions, but I'm not sure about the third. This is the green version of the Hawaiian Ti plant, and is little blooms on the top. And let me see. We got all those blooms coming in. They're very pretty little colors. That's what I like about the plant, is the pink, the unusual pink color that the Hawaiian Ti plant has. And the reason I wanted to do it is before we see the seeds form on this plant. We're in the start of December, so let me just pull back a little bit so you get a little clarity there, because this is a tablet, we don't get the best thing. And I just wanted to show the plant in its normal everyday growing habit. And here it is. I have yet to touch the plant. I've been cleaning up because we're getting ready to put the Christmas lights outside, and the roof or house has got to be cleaned. So this has been going on in a regular place, so it doesn't really bother this plant because it's been up here for years. And as you can see, the bottom part, there's a few brown leaves over there. And let me just get a little closer up to this down over here. Get you to see that. These are typical new growth coming up. One can just snap it right off. Let me see if I do it over here. What I'll do is I'll show you how we do it. I snap it off with my fingers, and it's relatively easy. Just pop it off, see? There it is. Let me show you. And this is a new plant, and I just snapped it off. There's another one over there, and I just wanted to show you the purpose of explanation. And there's the brown leaves, and what I usually do is I take brown leaves, remove them. Let me get a few ones over here. Remove, and remove. There we go. Brown leaves, they don't. You take a walk, and the tree starts to look a little pretty. Here's another big one up here. Just go right by it, pull it right off. Here's another one over here. Pull it right off. And you see how pretty the plant looks when you get all those yellow things off? One, two more. And there we go. There's a few in the back there, but I just wanted to show the purpose. A lot of people don't know that you pull these things off. That doesn't surprise me nowadays. Look who's voted in for president. But anyway, we have here the green version of the Hawaiian Ti plant, and I hope I'm saying that right. And there's two plants distinctly. That's the little one that was growing right next to them. The fat one on the right is the one I originally planted. And that little one on the left is from a seedling that was from 2 years ago. So I let Mother Nature take its day and run its course. And let me just say, I just got a little plant over there. There we go, got that out of there. But what I like about them is they have little colors to your garden. And every year, they just seem prettier and prettier. This one has a hint of pink with it. The one in the back is pretty much predominantly pink. But that's why I like this one over here. It's the front of the house, and we get that little coloration. It's all year round, and we, like I say, just remove some of these brownish ones. I got another two ones over there, but I just had to take that one off. So that's what we're doing. It's just looking at the Hawaiian Ti plant. Nice addition to your landscape. Very low maintenance. I have no pest problems whatsoever with it. Some people may have, but then again, I'm not sure what they are. If they are, please let me know in the bottom and just share your wealth of information with everybody else. And that's Marty Dougherty. Please like my videos. I need the attention. I'm still bragging to my grandkids. I'm going to get some of this. I got like 1 or 2 people, so nobody knows I'm alive except my grandkids. They don't even watch my videos. They're watching the Unspeakable, I think his name is. I says, give me a few likes so you get to that guy. All right, so this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Please like the videos. Please subscribe. We love the attention. And this is a tropical. We'll go into the tropical plant index on the Dougherty Garden. So I have palm trees, flowers, tropical plants, and garden methods. And I also do on occasion 2 other sets of blogs and videos. One's related to today in the garden, and the other one is memories of the garden. So thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, drop us a note on the bottom, or the email is there. I'm all ears. Go to Facebook. We got several groups on Facebook on gardening. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in buying something, you're just a couple of days away from priority mail, and I'm not looking to get rich. I'm looking to just break even, basically. So thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.